Welcome to the YETI Tundra 45 unboxing. It is Nordic purple. Let's just jump right in here. It says don't use a knife on here, but whatever. I'm being gentle. Being very, very gentle. Now it already says point of origin where it was manufactured already, so. And that was slightly disappointing because I know you can get them in the States or even
Poland,
Peru, actually. So pretty basic unboxing here, boys and girls. That's that. I'm actually really impressed with the purple. As soon as I saw the purple, I was like, I gotta get a purple one. You know, that's all I had to do. We're gonna keep this thing nice and short and sweet and easy for you as possible. So here we go. There she is. She's got her plugs on the back there. Not gonna lie, I'm actually impressed with this one. I've seen some of the other ones that are manufactured overseas that are outsourced or whatever. Usually they have bad mold trim on it, but this is actually really nice. Really nice, actually. Quite impressed. I am a YETI fanboy, so I have lots of YETI stuff already. But this is my first Tundra, so you do get the basket. All that fun goodness. And some paperwork. Let me just lean this camera in here real quick and give you a better look. Pretty basic stuff. It is what it is. It's just a roto-motor YETI. That's all it is.